Hello everybody, welcome to YouTube. My name is Jan Kwasniak. If you are new to my channel, please help me by subscribing. Well, I have information that I want to share with you. This is it. There is a job vacancy in Medicine Sans Frontier. This is Medicine Sans Frontier job vacancy. They are looking for somebody to work as a transport and customer supervisor. They need one person. The number of vacancies is one, and the location is Juba. That is where the work is taking place. If you are in Juba right now, you can apply from there, which is South Sudan. Here there are requirement criteria. You should have diploma in supply chain of transport. That one over there. Transport management or professional certification in the same field. You also need to have experience, essential at least 2 to 3 years of working experience in related activities. And language, you need to be fluent English, and also you need to be fluent also in writing and speaking, and the local language is an asset in that working environment. And the knowledge, you need to have computer literacy knowledge, especially need to know Excel, Word, and Internet and warehouse. You need also to know mathematics, reporting, and analytical skill as well. So please check the video description and apply it. Just click the link and it will take you to the website where you can apply it. Make sure you upload your CV. Okay, this is very important, especially if you are in Juba, capital city of South Sudan. You make sure that you need to have a neat CV and also a cover letter for your for this position that you would like to apply with. So that's it. Please, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, man. Subscribe.